M-Series Microminiature connectors. Unmatched reliability for less. Airborne's Micro D connectors are a perfect substitute for the Nano D when board space isn't a concern and typically cost 20% less. High temperature models. With safe operating temperatures from minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 205 degrees Celsius, the high temperature models are ideal for oil and gas downhole applications. Built for intense usage. Designed to meet the requirements of the M83513, M-Series connectors have 4 points of contact and can withstand high vibration applications. Ultra-reliable contact system. M-Series contacts outperform twist pin in manufacturing repeatability, fewer crimped and weld points, and surface area between pin and contact. Reliability starts at the contact. Rugged and reliable can certainly apply to connectors. Being unfailingly dependable is crucial for applications where lives are on the line. Board mount models. Vertical or right angle options with various lead lengths, plated through-hole and surface mount terminations, and ruggedized or low-profile options to fit your design. Card edge models. 9 through 100 contacts and 2, 3, and 4-row options available with the ability to use traces on both sides of the board. Mounting brackets ensure a secure attachment. Input-output models. Low-profile or ruggedized models are available, the latter providing safe operating temperatures between minus 55 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius. Cable-to-cable models. Plastic or metal models with various wire types, lead lengths, and gauges. Easily configurable with flying leads or as jumper assemblies. Panel mount models. 2, 3, or 4-row plastic or metal models available in sizes ranging from 9 to 100, providing OEMs unmatched design flexibility for your enclosure. Airborne. Let's go to work.